Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to quickly and easily replace the battery in a Volkswagen keyless key and how to test it after the replacement. First, we'll test the key using the Autel IM508 and the XP400 Pro programmer, just as I showed you in the video. Besides testing this key, the Autel also has the option to program keys directly to the vehicle, which I will show you in upcoming videos. As you can see, after testing, the remote is not sending any frequency to the programmer, which means the battery in the key needs to be replaced. Next, I will show you how to safely and easily replace the battery in your key. Pay attention that the new battery has the same number as the one you removed from the key, otherwise, the remote will not function. We open the key by carefully removing the rear plastic cover, and in that way we get access to the battery itself. On the back of the plastic cover, the correct battery type number is also indicated. After replacing the battery, we put the cover back on the key and then test it again with the programmer to make sure the remote is sending the correct signal to the vehicle. As you can see, after replacing the battery, the remote is now sending a signal, which means it is ready for use. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any ideas for the next video, feel free to leave a comment below.